All right, so let's see how you did on this one. Let's number the angles. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. And they've given us angle 1, 3n plus 5, angle 2, 10n minus 20, and angle 3, 4n minus 10. Now, remember, we're looking for a 1 equals a 1 or a 2 equals a 2 because those are easier. So what do we have? This is a 1 and this is a 1. So to write the easy equation, it's going to be this. 3n plus 5 equals 4n minus 10. If you chose a 1 and a 2, you'd have the longer equation of adding those two angles together and setting equal to 180, or you could have done this one as well. But I'm going to do this one, and I encourage you to change to this one if that's not what you did. So variables in 2 places. I need them in 1 place. I'm going to choose the smaller one, which is 3. I'm going to get rid of it by subtracting 3n on both sides. Bring down my 5. This is 1n, or just n. Bring down my minus 10. I need the n by itself. I need to get rid of the minus 10 by doing the opposite. This is 15, and this is n. If you don't like it that way, switch it around. That's your answer. N equals 15. We haven't solved it. We just solved for n. Tomorrow in our next lesson, we'll solve them.